So hi everyone, I will show you how to use package or how to use package in Java. So wherein we are going to group all the classes, and we can already import the created classes or the methods inside the specific class. Okay, so say for example, let's first create a package named say sample1. So this will be the name of the package. Then we create a class. Let's say sample, say class sample package, and then let's create a method or a constructor, say sample package constructor. So then let's say display I'm in package sample 1, and then we create public static void main string args. Okay, so yeah, then let's call the object, let's say sample package, say object 1. Let's say I'll just name it as object and new sample package. Okay, so yeah, and let's save it as sample package with Java. Okay, so we already saved the class, the first class that we created, and let's also create for the main program that we'll be using this package. First is we have to import then the name of the package, so sample1, import sample1. Then let's make use of asterisk, and let's name this a class say package run. Okay, then we open the main program. Okay, and then so we use now the sample package, say object obj is equal to new sample package. So save muna natin, let's save this as package. Copy, save lang natin yung file name with the same as the class name. Now after we created we have already the first package, first class, and the name of the package again. Okay, so the next step that we are going to do is we will compile the package. So we will create a package that will be, in order for the package to be used. Okay, so the first thing is we have to set the class path first. So we have to set class path is equal to, let's say, C colon. Okay, so yeah. So after we set the class path, we can now compile the first. Okay, so let's compile. Let's check first if the sample package compiles successfully. Okay, so no error. Then let's compile it. If we use the double dot minus the double dot, it means that we are creating a directory on C drive, C colon or C drive. If we use one dot, means we are creating directory inside the my Java program. Okay, so let's make it to the double the dot. Okay, so if we check on the C colon, we could already see the directory of sample1. Okay, so yeah, and now if we now go to our main program, let's compile the sample package run with Java. So there is an error, so we have to set the class in sample package Java to public. Set natin siya into public. So ito rin, we have to set this public, the constructor save, and let's compile it again. Okay, then package na. Okay, so no error na yung package siya, so we can already run. So in Windows, sometimes it causes an error, like if we run the program, let's say package run that. So if you encounter an error like load main class package run caused by Java, so we can use the -cp. So -cp, then the directory inside the my Java program to be executed. Ibig sabihin ng cp is the class path. So there's an error, so let's check. So let's use the double dot. So yun. Okay, so we have to use the single dot. So it creates a directory inside the my Java programs, not the one with the C drive. Okay, so let's use the single dot. We already see the output of the I'm in package sample1. So let's create again another class. So new file tayo. New file, then let's create another class. Kuha tayo ng another class, then copy lang natin, and with same package. So let's label it as sample package 2. Okay, then 2 then to. Okay, so save natin. Okay, so we have already 2 packages. Meron tayong dalawang package na tig-test. So compile ulit natin yung package number 2. So this should be 2. Okay, so create na lang tayo ng type error. Okay, so nawala dito yung opening. Okay, so compile ulit natin. So yan. So compile din tayo ng, let's go use also the single dot. Okay, so yan. And let's check now the directory of, so meron tayong dalawang class. So yan. So if we try to use the program, I mean the in main program. So let's say we use asterisk. So it means that all the classes declared the compiled class in sample package, pwede na natin siya gamitin. So halimbawa sa sample package ito, then gawa tayo for number 2, package 2 yan, and ulitin natin ito. I'm in sample package 2, yan. So once we compile ulit natin yung sample package 2. I mean yung main program na. Di ba mayroon na siyang parehas na object. So gawin natin object. Yan. Oops. Sample 1. So hindi natin siya na-compile. Okay. So compile ulit natin yung sample package 2. Then gawin na pa natin yung dalawa. Then compile ulit natin yung main program package run. So tingnan nyo yung code natin is, if you see the code, so we already used the import. Ginawa natin meron tayong dalawang class. Then if we create again another class, basta yung package have the same name ng package, isasama niya yan into one directory. Okay, so that's all for package, and thank you